no gloves, no goggles, my mom.
Shy.
This is what I look like when I teach. Mom, I don't dress nice, I lie.
But it's me sending it to Raphael.
You're really confused.
My hope is that I inspire a mixture of confusion, but also delight. So, what do I got?
Can you make the water disappear? Make the water disappear.
He's not a magician, Tyler.
Nothing disappears. This is a chunk of solid sodium. If I had the proper equipment, I could scratch at it and show you that that the surface of the sodium itself is silvery. It's roughly the same color as this scoop, but it rusts in air immediately. So,
Because it was in an oil.
it's got kind
Because
of
otherwise
like a weird coating on it.
it'll react with the moisture in the air.
It's like everything going into
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So, as soon as that coating that was on it
Dissolve.
gets worked through, first of all, sodium is less dense than water. A metal that is less dense than water that will float on water.
I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die. It's not like he's putting in potassium.
Potassium will always catch fire. Sometimes sodium catches fire.
What is my
Sodium in its unpredictability is actually a little bit more dangerous. Potassium is nice and obedient.
Oh wait, but you know my question from before about
I don't
oxidation
care.
space? Is that the same as the charge or the opposite?
It's
Wait,
blown up.
There we go!